Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of creating your first neural network using TensorFlow. We'll build a simple feed-forward neural network to classify the famous mnist dataset, which consists of handwritten digits. Prerequisites. Before we start, make sure you have the following installed. 1. Python, version 3.6 or later. 2. TensorFlow, version 2.x. 3. NumPy, for numerical operations. 4. Matplotlib, for visualizing the results. You can install TensorFlow and the other libraries using pip. Bash. Pip install TensorFlow numpy matplotlib. Step 1. Import libraries. Start by importing the necessary libraries. Python. Import numpy as np. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Import TensorFlow as tf. From TensorFlow import keras. From tensorflow.keras import layers. Step 2. Load the mnist dataset. TensorFlow provides easy access to the mnist dataset through keras. We can load it directly. Python. Load the mnist dataset. Mnist equals keras.datasets.mnist. Split the dataset into training and testing data. X_train, Y_train, X_test, Y_test, equals mnist.load_data. Normalize the images to values between 0 and 1. X_train equals X_train.astype, float 32/255. X_test equals X_test.astype, float 32/255. Step 3. Explore the data. You can visualize some samples from the dataset to understand what the data looks like. Python. Plot some samples from the dataset. plt.figure, fig size equals 10, 10. For I in range, 25. plt.subplot, 5, 5, I plus 1. plt.imshow, X_train I, map equals gray. plt.axis, off. plt.title, Y_train I. plt.show. Step 4, build the neural network. We'll build a simple feed-forward neural network with one hidden layer. Python. Create the model. Model equals keras.sequential. Layers.flatten, input_shape equals 28, 28, flatten the input. Layers.dense, 128, activation equals relu, hidden layer with relu activation. Layers.dense, 10, activation equals softmax, output layer for 10 classes, 0 to 9. Step 5, compile the model. Next, we need to compile the model. Here, we define the loss function, optimizer, and metrics. Python. Model.compile, optimizer equals atom. Loss equals sparse_categorical_cross entropy. Metrics equals accuracy. Step 6, train the model. Now we can train the model using the training data. We will use 5 epochs for demonstration purposes. Python. Model.fit, X_train, Y_train, epochs equals 5. Step 7, evaluate the model. After training, it's important to evaluate the model's performance on the test dataset. Python. Test_loss, test_acc equals model.evaluate, X_test, Y_test. Print, f\n test accuracy, test_acc.4f. Step 8, make predictions. Now that the model is trained, we can use it to make predictions. Python. Predictions equals model.predict, x_test. Let's look at the first prediction. Print, f predicted class, np.argmax, predictions 0. Print, f true class, y_test 0. Plot the first test image and prediction. plt.imshow, x_test 0, map equals gray. plt.title, f predicted, np.argmax, predictions 0, true, y_test 0. plt.axis, off. plt.show. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have successfully built and trained your first neural network using TensorFlow on the mnist dataset. You can experiment with different architectures, activation functions, optimizers, and training parameters to improve the model's performance. Further steps. Explore more complex networks, such as convolutional neural networks, CNNs. Try different datasets available in TensorFlow or Keras. Tune hyperparameters and implement techniques like dropout for regularization. This is a fundamental starting point for building neural networks. As you grow more comfortable with TensorFlow and its capabilities, you can delve into more advanced topics like transfer learning, model deployment, and more.